Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa tortillas. First, grind rinsed quinoa into a fine flour and measure precisely for even texture. Mix quinoa flour with warm water, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of oil until a soft dough forms. Divide into equal portions, press thin, and cook on a hot skillet until golden spots appear and edges lift. Serve warm with fillings you enjoy. In this video, I will show how to make quinoa tortillas. Combine quinoa flour, warm water, salt, and oil, and stir until a cohesive dough forms. Knead lightly to bring the dough together, then divide into equal balls for uniform tortillas. Press each ball thinly between parchment or use a tortilla press for consistent thickness. Cook briefly on a hot, dry skillet to develop light brown spots and a soft texture. In this video, I will show how to make quinoa tortillas. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to tidy up crumbs fast and leave your kitchen spotless. It's perfect if you hate sweeping after rolling dough or feeding kids tortillas. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make quinoa tortillas. Heat a cast iron or nonstick skillet until hot but not smoking for ideal browning. Place the pressed tortilla on the skillet and watch closely. Bubbles will form and indicate when to flip. Cook briefly on the second side until set, then remove and keep wrapped in a clean towel so they remain soft. Enjoy them warm with your favorite fillings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.